I got this little hand sewer today. Handheld electric sewing machine at the etc. shop for $6. I even broke the seal. How do they know it works if they never had it open? I'm unboxing.
I'm going to finish doing what I was doing on the computer earlier.
What was that?
Printing something.
Wow, they even sewed up a napkin. That's a paper napkin. Comes with a pair of scissors. It has a warranty to the original purchaser. Oh no. I think I am the original purchaser. What if someone stole it and gave it away? I've got a receipt for it. Check it out. Handheld electric sewing machine. It's got a little operation manual. They went all out. They're serious about this little thing. I wonder if I'm going to like it. It's got an AC adapter for it. And it's got this little sewing kit that comes along with it. It's in a little tiny Ziploc bag. It's got bobbins. A needle threader. And even some threads in there. Oh, one of the bobbins has got string in it already. Nice. So simple. We can run out batteries. That's where the AC adapter plugs in. And somebody has had it out of the box, apparently. They put some stitches through this to make sure that it worked, I guess. Thread tension, probably. Take it back. I don't think it will zigzag. Take it back. It feels pretty hefty and strong. The tension doesn't look quite right on this napkin. It looks the same both directions, though, and that's the confusing part. So simple.